The Bulgarian? How exciting is that?
The Bold Bowler.
More Commonwealth Games gold medals than any other Scottish athlete. Is that right? Have I said that right?
Yes.
I think there's somebody, there's I suppose that Duncan Scott's got more medals, but Tatty's got more gold. Gold and them Tatties. Right, talk to him a little bit later.